this is the iPad mini 7, and I think you should buy it, especially if you are in the market looking for a new iPad. Now, just as a spoiler, if you have an iPad mini 6, there's no need to pick up an iPad mini 7. I have a 6. Obviously, I picked up a 7 for making content, but I don't think it's worth the upgrade. Again, if you find some really good deal, then go right ahead, like a good trade-in or a good promotion, then go right ahead and pick it up. But the first reason why I would recommend this is because of its portability. Like you want to carry this iPad mini because it's portable, right? And that's exactly what it does. It has a decently good 8.3-inch display. Now, it's not ProMotion, it's not 120 hertz, but you know, whatever. I can get through that. I can get past that. I can wait a little bit longer for a ProMotion, but it's easy to carry around. So if you want to use it in vertical mode like this, or if you want to use it in landscape mode, it's really, really nice. Now, whenever I go on road trips, or if I go on vacation or business trips, whatever it may be, I'm always carrying the iPad mini 7 with me. If I'm going on an airplane, for example, I make sure I have the iPad mini 7 with me, because like, let's say I want to watch some content here on YouTube. I want to have a decently large display, not super large, it's going to take up so much space, but not like the size of my iPhone 16 Pro. I want to have a decent size, and this is, I think, the perfect size for content consumption. Like I said, if you want a larger device for content consumption, but not too large, this is going to be it. You can watch YouTube videos, you can browse the web, you can use it for social media, you can read articles, ebooks, rather than going and picking up an iPad or an iPad Pro. I think those are just a little bit too large and kind of enter the productivity category where you want to actually get some work done. This is more of just like kind of lay back and, you know, do your own thing and relax and enjoy, you know, browsing the web, social media, watching YouTube, or reading your ebooks type of thing. Next thing is going to be the processor. So it's got a pretty good processor. In fact, it's got the same processor found in the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max, which is the A17 Pro chipset. And because of that, it also supports Apple Intelligence, which Apple is kind of slowly rolling out within the couple months here in the US. As of right now, at the time of this recording, I don't have Apple Intelligence on my iPad mini 7, but hopefully I will. And if you guys want to see a detailed video of Apple Intelligence on the iPad mini 7, let me know in the comments down below. It also does come equipped with 8 gigs of RAM, up from 4 from the iPad mini 6, so it can kind of tackle Apple Intelligence tasks. Like I said, great for content consumption, whether that be playing videos, watching videos, playing games, Call of Duty Mobile, whatever it may be. It tackles everything at ease, and that's what I like about it. It also does have some other good stuff that are improved from the iPad mini 6. It's got a faster USB-C port for transferring files and whatnot. It's got faster Wi-Fi support, 6E to be exact. It's also got support for Apple Pencil Pro. So if you do, which I actually do, I use my iPad mini Pro for Procreate to just make designs and stuff like that. So I actually made some of these wallpapers, including this one. It's called Illusions 2.0. I'll be leaving a link in the description down below because it really does help out the channel out a lot. But yeah, you know, I'm playing around making different types of wallpapers and different designs through Procreate. So it's good to have Apple Pencil, and now there's, you know, extra Apple Pencil features because of Pencil Pro support. So that's a huge plus in my opinion. But honestly, I think you're going to really like the new iPad mini because, you know, it's easy to carry. It's not doing iPad Pro stuff. It's not trying to be a computer. It's just trying to take your iPhone, for example, and you're using it for media consumption and for playing games, and just amplifies it just a little bit. And the times that I use this most specifically, again, I use it for making sure I watch all the videos in my subscription feed on YouTube, but I also use it for Notion and as an external display. Right now I'm using my iPad mini 6. I have my notes for this video, and sometimes I do go off script, but for the most part I have my bullet points of what I need to talk about, and I kind of have this, again, external display to my left so I can kind of look at it and make sure I'm hitting all those bullet points. And that's really what I mainly use my iPad mini, making wallpapers, content consumption, and external display types of things. And also, lately I haven't been, but before I was using it for reading lots of Medium articles. Medium has kind of, for me, exited, I guess, in a sense. You know, I had a good following at first. I was really, a couple years ago, I was really doing well. I have over 2,000 followers on there. And in fact, it was generating a pretty decent amount of income, but then Medium decided to change the whole system and their partner program and all that stuff. And, you know, I publish an article and I'm making like 2 cents. Whereas before I was making like 50, 60 bucks per article. So it performed much better. And now kind of just, you know, and doing this full time, I've been working on my YouTube channel, MTG Productions, but more as my business since September 1st. So it's been my full-time thing. And, you know, I just realized I couldn't afford to spend all that time into Medium if there wasn't really going to be any huge outcome or just end result. And I'm seeing more result here on YouTube and on TikTok and my other platforms. So I decided to focus more on that. But here and there, I'll open it up and read some Medium articles. Nonetheless, I love the iPad mini. I carry it with me everywhere I go, especially if I am traveling. Like, this is my content traveling device. And it's, you know, with A17 Pro and Apple Pencil Pro, it kind of gets me thinking, even though we didn't get iPad mini Pro this time, will we get an iPad mini Pro next time, maybe in the next year or 2 or 3 years, whatever it may be? But those are going to be for different videos. I have so much different types of videos coming to the channel. Definitely be sure to subscribe if you haven't already, because I'm trying to reach my goal of 45,000 subscribers here on YouTube before the end of 2024. And let me know in the comments down below, what types of iPad mini 7 content would you like to see if you're going to pick up the iPad mini 7? And also definitely be sure to share this video, because it really does help out the channel out a lot and will help push my content out to more people. That's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.